Okay, welcome back to the factory at Creative Care, the original home of the Safe Space bed. And today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble and put together your Travelpod. So to start assembling the Travelpod, roll the fabric out and turn it upside down so the blue base is to the top. Remove the blue foams from the bags and insert them in the pockets under the bed. There's one. There's the second one. These make the bottom of the bed a little bit firmer and more support. The next part is to get the wishbone crossbar and lay it in the center, and then get the four bottom parts, the poles, and these are inserted into the pockets on the side of the base. They go in here and then go inside the wishbone like that. And then that's on all four. So in the pocket and into the wishbone. Okay, then you need the two short bottom bars for the ends, and they go here and here, and they're going to get zipped into here. So now you need the four bottom black plastics. They're the ones with the Velcro. You need one here, and on each of the corners. And the process is to clip in the pin like that and like that, and then that then goes on to the end of the bar like that. There, like that. Pin clipped in, and then the zip goes around and zips in like that, and then do the other end the same. Locate the pin. Locate the pin. Here we go. And the last one. Give the fabric a bit of a pull. Make the zip a little bit looser. And the last thing before you turn the fabric over is to do up these tension straps. So they go round the back of the wishbone like this. Under here. and into the buckle. And pull it nice and tight. Okay, now we turn the fabric over. And we start building the top part of the frame. So we have the two short pieces with the word top on, and they go in this pocket here at the top. So lay them ready to go, and the pins should be facing upwards and the little black toggles to the outside. The next part is the two long top bars. These come as two pieces in the bag. Join them up to make two long bars. Again, the pin to the top, the black toggles facing to the outside of the bed. And then there's the pocket on the top in grey. They go in here, push them in all the way through until the black toggle sticks outside the hole. So pin to the top, black to the outside of the bed, into the pocket. You can now insert the shorter one, and again pin to the top, toggle to the outside like that, and then the 4 plastic corners. Insert, pin to the top, toggle to the outside. Plastic corner goes like that. Pins go through the hole, and we're nearly finished complete assembly. There's the pins. Okay, so the last part is the 2 legs, and again they come in 2 pieces, the top part and the bottom part. They clip together like this, pin snaps. So you lift the bed, insert one leg, insert the second leg, go to the other end, take the 2 legs, lift the fabric, insert the leg, insert the leg. The next part is to use the Velcro strap, which goes around the leg, round the back, and ties in there like that. I'll show you again on the front one. It's nice and close, easily to see. Round the back of the, through there, pull it tight. That ties the leg into the corner. Do that on all 4 corners. we've got the Velcros attached on all four and the bed's coming together now. The next part is the struts, and you loosen the toggles, put the strut and tighten it up, and there's two on each leg. Loosen the corner and then tighten it up, lift it round, loosen the corner, get it to click in, tighten it up, and two on each, so you do all 8 of those. There we go. Let's do the next ones on the front. Bring it up, loosen the toggle a bit, click it in, tighten it up. The final part of the assembly is to put these corners around the bars. They unzip. They go around the bar and zip back up. Again, there's one for each of the legs. And the Travelpod's beginning to look fairly all complete. So the Travelpod's design is that it hangs from the top and the bottom part is weighted down when the user gets inside. So the bed will feel a little bit loose when you first use it, but as soon as somebody gets inside and the legs are pushed down here, it'll begin to become a lot tighter. So that's the Travelpod completely assembled, and then we open up the zip. Roll the door up. The creases will hang out because it's been wrapped up in the bag after a few hours. Pops up, held up with magnets. Then the last thing we have to do is to unzip the mattress out of the bag. And lay it inside. There we go, and your Travelpod is all ready to use. Bye.